Hey, do you know much about file permissions in Linux?
Yes, it's an essential aspect of Linux file management.
I'm not too familiar with it. Can you give me an overview?
Sure thing. In Linux, file permissions are categorized into two main groups: user-based permission and file-based permission. Each file and directory dance to the tune of three user-based permission groups: owner, group, and other, all users.
Interesting. What about basic file permissions?
Every file or directory flaunts three fundamental permission types: read, write, and execute. The read permission allows users to peruse file contents, write lets them modify, and execute empowers them to run files or view directory contents.
What about the attributes in file permissions?
There are 8 attributes in file permissions, shaping the accessibility and control over files. Understanding these attributes is crucial in managing your Linux file system.
That makes sense. How do we create files and directories with specific permissions?
When using Vim, Cat, or Nano, the default permission is 644 RWRR, but the actual file permission is 666. It's the Umask value at play. Learn how Umask affects default permissions for both files and directories.
What's the role of ulimit in Linux?
Ulimit is the gatekeeper of resource limits for users, stored in /etc/security/limits.conf. It helps you fine-tune your Linux system by setting resource limits.
Interesting. What about kernel parameters?
Passing kernel parameters using sysctlp is a handy tool to tweak and optimize your Linux system.
Thanks for the overview. I feel more informed about file permissions in Linux now.
Glad to help. Understanding file permissions is crucial in managing your Linux file system effectively.